Welcome back, guys, to the Web3 for Light. Imagine the place where you can just connect your accounts, create some content, press share, and these posts will go to Instagram, to Twitter, to TikTok, to YouTube, all socials. In Web3, it's a Firefly. It's pretty simple to use because now you can use the cross-platform for maximum engagement just directly from one place. You don't need to all the time now copy paste the content to share it everywhere. You can first of all use the web version or download on the App Store and the Google Play. Connect your wallet. This how it looks like. You just connect your wallet, and like you remember, keep in a safe place your seed phrase because access to all your socials in Web3 just with this simple seed phrase. That's why if you lose access to your wallet, you lose your social accounts forever. Guys, I already posted the video about the Lens protocol platform. I already posted the video about Farcaster. So this is a cross-posting platform. When you connect your wallets, you can check the accounts, even the Twitter. Next one, Farcaster. This one connects it to BlueSky and the Lens, and connect the other accounts, for example, Telegram, Google, Apple, or email. BlueSky, I can't say it's a Web3 platform. Basically, it's from the Jack Dorsey Web2, but for some content about Web3 is pretty useful. So when you connect your accounts, you can start posting. First of all, on your main page, you can check the posts from other platforms, some popular posts. For example, Brian Armstrong posted something 2 hours ago on Farcaster. This one. This also post from the Farcaster. This is on the BlueSky. In Explore section, we can check accounts from X, from Farcaster, for example, some popular accounts from Lens, BlueSky. It's recommend you some popular accounts. Also, the Firefly, you can track the true social posts from Donald Trump. This is a projects which now popular in Web3. This is the tokens which people trade. This is the clubs. So like you remember on the Farcaster, you can create the channels and share the content, especially directly to that audience. In notifications, when you post something and somebody likes or some share or leave a comment on Farcaster, you will see who liked your content, especially on the Farcaster. So you imagine you don't need to go all the time to the Farcaster to double check the comments, to double check the likes. After that, I close the Farcaster, go into the Lens, go into the BlueSky, everything just in one place. You can check your bookmarks if you added something. In profile, the main page just looks like this one. Also, you can switch between the accounts. So this is a Farcaster, your post. This is a Twitter, but I'm not connected now, but you can still check it. BlueSky social post. This is a Lens. Everywhere you can track your followers and following and just your wallets. In the settings, everything pretty simple. Here you just need to connect your wallet or disconnect your wallet. Also in connected accounts, in the settings, you can add more accounts if you need it. Yesterday, I made a post on Telegram with links to 6 YouTube videos. Check my latest YouTube videos. Choose where I would like to share that content. Farcaster, Lens, I can share on X if I will sign in, and a BlueSky. On Farcaster, I got an option to choose where I would like to share it. So for example, I can find the channel crypto. On the Lens, when you get a pro account, you can share on a pro. Scheduling posts is now not available, but previously it works. Limitation by symbols. And if you need to create a threads or more posts, you can add plus and create it. Press send. And in one click, my post now will be shared between the 3 socials in one click. So here I can go to my BlueSky. Here is a post visible, and on the Lens. Here. Everything pretty simple, and it saves you guys a lot of time, just 1,000,000 hours if you start build your brand in Web3. Guys, I highly recommend you just use the Firefly, connect your accounts, and start build your brand in Web3. Link to the Firefly social I will leave on the description below. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.